If no be you, then tell me who. Them go send.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Emem, and back with another video. So today I'm going to be trying the clay mask. I don't know why I just did that, but yeah, that's the clay mask I'm going to be using, and this is going to be on freshly washed hair. And if you think I'm naked, by the way, I am not. I have on a towel. Okay, so let's jump right to the things you need. First of all, you need the AZTEC Secret Healing Clay. That's the main product, and you can get that from Amazon. This container is like good enough, like the size is good enough. And then you'd also need the apple cider vinegar. You can get this from Walmart or any food place or anything. And then obviously just a bowl of clean water. You're going to be mixing all your, oh Jesus, see my ashy hands. Anyway, you're going to be mixing all your products together till you get this kind of consistency, but try not to use too much apple cider vinegar. In case you want to make it a little bit watery, just add water. Don't add apple cider vinegar. Like, add apple cider vinegar, but don't add too much. Anyway, I'm going to start by sectioning my hair into small parts and then applying the mask. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, do the needful, the notification, the get. Make sure you like this video and watch my other videos and like my other videos, and make sure you click the bell so when I post you shall know. And also, in case you want me to do any kind of videos, please let me know. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. The name is right there. I'm a very friendly person, so you can, add me, we talk, film me. Anyway, I'm just adding it generously to my hair. I was sectioning it, but I got tired and I was just adding it randomly. And please, I know my hair is breaking, and I know it's cringy to some people to watch, even to me that owns the hair. So I got that fixed, but not in this video. I'm so sorry guys, but you have to just bear with the anyways, I'm just adding that, trying to get to the root, because apparently AZTEC Clay Mask is meant to remove out the toxins from your hair. It's meant to, give me a second. So I had to go to Google quick time to make sure I knew what I was saying. So basically, bentonite clay draws toxins, impurities, and residual hair products out of your hair. These toxins, impurities, and residual products are retained within the mask, so when you rinse it off, your hair comes out squeaky clean. I had extra and I decided to use it on my face. I normally use it on my face, but I have never tried it on my hair. And it literally does the same thing that it does on the face, on the hair. Do you see that face? Anyway, so yeah, and I'm just going to, I think I left it on for about an hour. You're meant to leave it on for 30 minutes, but I was just like, let me just get the full effect and stuff. So I left it on for an hour, both on my face and on my hair. Please disregard my hair breaking. Don't look at that part, like it's very Oh yeah, I forgot to add that my 4C hair is low porosity, meaning it cannot retain moisture on its own. If you want to know how to identify what kind of porosity your hair is, I'll just put like a short video. So this is after I washed the hair. My curls are looking okay to me. My scalp is clean, like squeaky clean. I had to make sure, you feel me? But yeah, I think, in my honest opinion, I think maybe it kind of worked. But I don't know, I didn't feel like a very big difference, but I can tell for sure it did something, but I didn't really experience, I didn't get, I'm playing my words right now, but what I'm trying to say is it did something, but I don't really see a big change into what it did, you feel me? So yes, nice it. Thank you for watching my video. Bye guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
Wind up your wisdom, for me. Oh yeah, girl, you are bad like that. I love you when you whine like that. I do the dirty wine, bring it back like that. Bring it back like that. So many girls, they just like you. But somehow, my girl, think about you.